So I've got this strap wrench on here. It's a rigid strap wrench. So I think we've all been in this stage here where we loosen this up. We get ready to turn it, and we wait for the oil to spill out on the top. Comes leaking down, makes a big huge mess. Do it for demonstration purposes. And I'll show you something else that I do to avoid that. So usually we go like this, and we'll wait to see something come out, and here it comes. So there it is. If I keep going, you know what that looks like. It's a huge mess. So I'm just going to tighten this back up a little bit. Like I said, I just did this to show what usually happens, but I'll show you what I do. Avoid that. So basically, just take this. It could be a Phillips or a regular screwdriver or whatever. This is just kind of like a pointed, just thing to puncture something. Like a paper towel like that. Do it like that. Paper towel off. And that's it. Drain that out, and then when you take that filter off, it won't spill all over you. So that holds almost 2 quarts. Now when you unscrew this, it's not going to have that dripping out the top like that. So there you go, you can unscrew and it doesn't do anything. But that'll show you that it doesn't drip all over from the top. It helps out a lot. Crank a new filter on there and it should be good to go.